In the silence of the night, when worries cloud the sky, it's easy to lose sight of all the reasons why. But in the depth of your soul, there's a voice that softly calls, says don't worry and darling, it's time to break down those walls. Stop worrying and start living. Let go of fear, start forgiving. Embrace the beauty that's around you. In every moment let joy astound you. Life's a journey filled with twists and turns, but fretting over every step only makes your heart yearn for the freedom that comes when you release the doubt and trust in the path that life's laid out. Stop worrying now and start living to break down those walls. Stop worrying and start living. Let go of fear, start forgiving. Embrace the beauty that's around you. In every moment let joy astound you. Every breath is a gift, every heartbeat a song. So dance to the rhythm and sing along. With love as your guide, you'll find your way to a brighter tomorrow where worries fade away. Stop worrying and start living. Let go of fear, start forgiving. Embrace the beauty that's around you. In every moment let joy astound you. So take my hand, let's journey together through stormy weather and sunny weather. For in the end, it's not the worries we'll be giving, the memories of a life well lived, where we truly start living.